this is Dylan. Welcome to the daily trading analysis video. Today is Thursday, 4th of June. So we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so what happened is that last night during the ECB press conference, Draghi has signaled that the economy is recovering. It also says that there is no need for additional or rather expansion of the bond buying program as of now. So that helps the euro to rally and appreciate it. So what happened right here, right now, is that price is consolidating in the 15-minute chart, as you can see, and we are expecting price to gain even further as price has already broken a few key resistance levels with the Fibonacci retracement right now being removed. So we are expecting price to continue to appreciate to the next few exhaustion level right here, first at 1.3048, followed by 1.1427, Fibonacci expansion was 1.8%. So right here we just want to look for a long opportunity after the consolidation. We might expect price to just dip a little bit lower before it starts to appreciate again. So just be aware of this portion and look for the intraday long. Now, of course, first level to take profit will be at 1.1348, followed by 1.1427. Alright, so that is for the euro against US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So price has begun to fall. Firstly, is that it has been it starts to fall as it dipped lower right before it even hit the 200 moving average. Rather, it got resisted at the price of 0.7190. Expected price will fall even further till it touches the support level at 0.7076, while it forms a range right here. Price may potentially rebound as it touches the previous low again. So right here in the 15-minute charts, waiting for price to appreciate a little bit further back to this level at about 0.7160, as this could be or rather a little bit higher to the trend line right to the falling trend line right here in the 15-minute chart for a quick intraday short. First level we'll be looking at right here as it hits as it forms a symmetrical triangle at the bottom here. That could be about 34 pips, and of course expect it break lower all the way back to the support level at 0.7076. Roughly about 80 pips of profits to be made if we are able to go for the short right here. So that's pretty much for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. And next we have the pound against the US dollar. So in the forward chart itself, we're seeing the price was kind of little change as it hovers around the 200 moving average and staying resisted at the 55 moving average in the forward chart. Back to the 1 hourly chart itself, we also see the price has been resisted at the 200 moving average. So price may begin to fall very soon. The economic outlook for the UK itself wasn't really that optimistic, and later on there will be a MPC, or rather the official bank rate, which will be most likely unchanged. Alright, so we are expecting price to fall very soon if it carries on to get resisted at the current level right now. So look for the short opportunity. First level back to the previous low at 1.5168, then to the support level at 1.5090, and of course we are also expecting price to really begin to fall even further if the Bank of England is not able to close the gap of raising interest rate compared to the Federal Reserve. Alright, that may cause the pound to depreciate against the US dollar even further from here. Alright, so that is for the pound against the US dollar. And next we have the Aussie against the US dollar. Price has fallen amid this morning itself due to the retail sales, the very disappointing retail sales at 0.0% compared to a 0.4% forecast of 0.4%. Let me just double check on that. Yep, and of course the trade deficit has widened even further, more than the forecast and the previous data. So it was a very dovish data, a very negative data for the Australia itself. So price has also seen successfully resisted at the key resistance level at price of 0.7812 for retracement level of 30.2%. At the same time, at the 200 moving average. So right now we are really expecting price to fall even further. So we would like to zoom in smaller time frame in the 15-minute charts. Right, just waiting for a very quick retracement, or rather a very quick correction right here before we go for the short opportunity. So as price touches the 20 moving average, that will be where I would like to go for the shorts very soon. Right, so expected price to fall all the way back to the support level 0.7603, somewhere close to the previous low at the final exhaustion level, people estimation level of 161.8%. So just look out for the short opportunity. And that is for the Aussie against US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen right here. Price began to gain a little bit. In fact, it was kind of little change. So although this is not exactly or ideally a head and shoulder formation, but it does have the structure itself. And zooming the smaller time frame, we expect price is currently forming the second shoulder of a head and shoulder like formation. Like I said, this is not an ideal one, so this could potentially mean the price may begin to fall based on structure right now. Expecting price to fall all the way back to 123.77. If it breaks lower, then we are actually looking at the 200 moving average as the next key support level at the price of 100 close. By the time it should be at the price of 123.60. So wait for a long opportunity right here, or if not, you may want to go for the shorts as it reaches the level at 124.65. Alright, the previous high right here. Alright, this could be a very good level to go for the shorts. Alright, so that is for the dollar against the Japanese yen. Now, last but not least, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. A very choppy one from yesterday. Price basically rebounded off successfully from the support level at 50 at 0.8308, retracement level of 50% at the bottom. Also at the top of the previous falling trend channel, as we can see in the 4-week chart, supported very nicely, begins to rebound, and all of a sudden it fell all the way and got supported again at the same level. We are right now waiting for price to consolidate on and probably fell a little bit further again and test the retracement, test the support level at 0.8308 again. Then we can look for a long opportunity. Alright, we are still expecting price to rebound off and really begin to appreciate from here. So this is pretty straightforward, and of course, if price were to rebound off again, we are the first level that we shall look for in terms of take profit level would be at the falling trend line right here. In fact, there was actually a falling trend channel that's forming here. So after this support level, if it breaks any lower, then that will be at the bottom of the falling trend channel in one of the charts. Right, so that's for the dollar against the Swiss franc, and with that I've come to the end of my trading analysis video for today. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.